Hello class 4, how are you? I think you all are fine. So I am Papya Bhattacharya. I will take your spelling class children, reading and spelling. Okay, so today in this class we will start with something that you have done in your previous class also, I hope, in your spelling classes. Okay, so I am happy to see you again in class 4, and I will take in this session, I will take your spelling class children. So every time whenever we will do the spelling class, you have to take out your pencil, carry your pencil and your spelling copy with you, so that whatever I will tell you, side by side you can write. Okay, let us start the class with unscramble the words. You know the meaning of unscramble, isn't it? Like jumble words you have done in the junior classes, isn't it? I will give you few jumble words, okay, few letters I will give you, so which are not in a proper sequence, not in a proper order. You have to rearrange them to make a meaningful word. Okay, so are you all ready? Let's get started. I will give you a few words today. In this class I'll give you 10 words that you have to unscramble, and we will do in the class itself. So it is very important for you to take out the copy. Okay, so write in the copy and we will do together. Are you all ready? Okay, let's get started. I'll make use of this board. Today is 10th of July and we will do unscramble the words. Okay, so the first word that I am giving you means it's not in an order. Okay, you have to rearrange the alphabets to make a meaningful word. Okay, so let us start. The first one is number 1. I am writing on the board RIGB. T-H. You have to rearrange and write the word here. Rearrange the letter and write a meaningful word here. Okay, in the space provided. Clear? Number 2. See, number 2 I am writing OWFLRE. And you will write the correct one, the meaningful word here. Okay, third one is EDUSTNT. Here you will write. Then number 4, NAMOG. Okay, then number 5 is NEPICL, that you use every day. Okay, then number 6, ATWHC. Okay, this is number 6. Number 7 is EMSUMR. Okay, up to number 7 I have given here. So let us do. Is it visible? Can we write number 8? Yes, we can write, isn't it? Then you will write ULCOD. Now you have to rearrange the letter to make meaningful words. Okay, so let us start how we will do this one. The first one, RIGBTH. Yes. Any idea? See, let us see what can be made out of this. A meaningful word. The day, today is a, if I say blank, I put a dash, day. Today is a, okay, let me write. BRIGHT, bright. The day is bright, means sunny day, isn't it? Clear? So BRIGHT, bright. Okay. Next one. You all love this. We all love to see this thing. What is this? OWFLRE. What is this? Try to rearrange the word. OWFLRE. Flower. You all love to see flower, isn't it? So let us make FLOWER. Flower. Clear? Now come to the next one. So you belong to this category. Number 3. You all belong to this category. Number 3. Yes. Think. STUDENT. Student. Okay, you all are student of class 4, isn't it? So write down STUDENT. Student. Okay, clear? Come to next one. NAMOG. Yes, it is king of something. King of what? King of fruit. Yes, mango. 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 Okay, you love to eat? Yes, mango. Next one. 5. NEPICL. Very important for all the students. Without this, you can't do anything. Yes, what is this? That you use in your class? Pencil. Yes. So, PENCIL. 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 Done. Next. ATWCH. Very important. The most important thing in our everyday life. What is this? Without this, your life will become haphazard. What is this? Watch. Yes. WATCH. 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 Okay. Done. Now come to number 7. EMSUMR. What is this? Name of a season. Yes. Which season is this? Summer, isn't it? So it is summer. SUMMER. Summer, isn't it? Next one. Yes, it's also related to the weather. See, ULCOD. ULCOD. We can see it in the sky before it rains. What is this? This is cloud. So let us write down CLOUD. Cloud. Okay, everyone, all of you have done this thing. So write it properly in your CW copy, that is spelling CW copy. Okay, then you have to send this one to me for correction. Write the name of the subject teacher and write whatever you write, it should be very clear, legible, so that we can understand and do the correction properly. Okay, thank you. And one more thing, children, you have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay, because this is the English spelling class, isn't it? So you have to learn all the spellings properly. See you in the next class. Thank you.